Good morning everyone, and by everyone I mean my mom, my dad and the 3 other persons that watch my videos. Long time no see. I am right now in Riyadh, the capital city of Saudi Arabia. Okay, very first impression on Riyadh. I am a very big walker. I love to walk. I've arrived last night and I just wanted to go for a walk, look for an ATM. The usual thing that I do, go for an ATM, find the SIM card and everything. I've walked for 5 minutes. I've crossed the highway maybe 3 times. For them it's probably not the highway, it's probably just like the neighborhood road, but for me it's like this road is bigger than most highways in France, so it's nothing. And you can feel it's American inspired as a city because it's really centered around cars. You can't really do anything without cars, and as a walker it's not a walkable city per se, but first impressions. A big example of that is as I'm looking for an ATM, well, it's there and it's a drive-through ATM. It's mad, it's crazy. I've never seen that before. It's kind of funny, but yeah, it's not really walkable as a city. I continue to walk a little bit, get a SIM card, then I'll just get a driver every time I want to move. Another example of it not really being a walkable city is I'm casually walking on the highway, like there is no sidewalk. And also if you want to like find a coffee shop or anything, you have to go to petrol stations. This is where you'll find everything. Hey, hello.
Hello. What's your name?
My name? Rami.
Rami. My name is Taimur.
Taimur. Nice to meet you, Taimur. So you were telling me this city, it's not...
This city name is New Abdullah City.
New Abdullah City. It's not open yet.
It's still not open yet.
Oh.
Maybe 6 months is open now. All bank is here, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Okay. It's near the main street in Riyadh. Infad Road.
Okay. Oh yes.
Near also one Riyadh bank. My friend working there. It's in Rayani.
I will go camp in front of the house of Ronaldo. I'll stay there until I find him. There's telecabins in the middle of the city there, and the taxis told me to go to Boulevard World. I'll just go there. Well, something that I didn't know, everything is closed before 3 p.m. So I don't have any SIM cards, can't really do anything, and I'm like the only human being walking around. So pretty fun. Well, after 5 hours of walking, felt like being alone in the desert. I'm not going to lie, like there is no one walking with me, so they give you like it should be an attraction. Come and feel the life of the desert. It was like the desert a little bit, but alhamdulillah, finally I bought a bloody SIM card after 5 hours. Well, I'm not going to lie, it's the first day, and big deception. I felt like I'm not staying one more day here, but I'll give Riyadh a chance. Now that I have like a SIM card and everything, I'll give it a chance now. I'll just pray in this little beautiful mosque and then we'll see. Look at the size of this bloody parking lot. This country is too big for my feet. The place we are at right now is called Times Square. It's a part of Boulevard, Riyadh Boulevard, which is one of the... It's like an open art exhibition with music. It's like an open mall, to be honest, and it's a way for the Saudi government to showcase this new vision for Saudi Arabia. You know, the Vision 2030, where they want to showcase a more open Saudi Arabia. I have to say that it's quite the beautiful place. Look at this, it's mesmerizing. I've stayed here for like 10 minutes just looking at this. I just need a bowl with like lights and everything, and you got me, I'm bought. Look at this. Most of the fast food restaurant and brands in general represented here are Americans. Just as you can see with the Ben Simon, which is a KitKat advertisement. It's part of the culture of Saudi Arabia. I think they have this deep link with America. You can see it with the way the city is shaped, with these big roads and city built around car utilization. And you can also see it with all the brands and all the restaurants. We can have Dunkin Donuts. We don't have Dunkin Donuts in France. It's mad. They even have Randy's Donuts. And that's supposed to represent Cristiano Ronaldo, I think. If I met Ronaldo, oh my god, I'd just cry. Like, I don't know, it's just, you know, the little kid inside of me. I'd just cry if I saw him. I hope I see him. I don't think I'll see him, but I hope I see him. And I have to say that I've never seen a tree like this in my life. It looks like shells with like rocks on it. Look at this. It looks like straight rocks or shells you can find in the sea. There's some K-pop band there that I don't know about. Super Junior it's called. And they're off, and the security was really tight, so I couldn't film them. So it was really fun. They were dunking and there was a lot of like women. It's just universal. Everyone knows the K-pop band, I feel. Well, I wanted at first to meet Cristiano Ronaldo Jr., but if I end up meeting the Super Junior dudes, that's good. Who's this? Well, I'm enjoying my mango juice. Dehya juice. Quite a fantastic juice, to be honest. It's the best thing I've had all day. And this is the tower where Cristiano Ronaldo lives. I don't know if I'm supposed to be here, because I think it's the entrance for the people who live in the tower. I don't know. I don't really know how, but I ended up inside. I don't know where I am. I'm just walking and saying salam to the people. No one seems to care. I'm deep inside the building. I don't know. Try to find Cristiano. I'm inside the elevator. Look at my shoes. Damn it. Just let me in. No one's looking at me. They should. I ended up going to this mall. Couldn't find Cristiano. Is there a traitor among us? To show you how non-walkable the city is, look. I have to walk in the middle of plants. There is this, and I can't even see. I have to look out so I don't get hit by a car. This is like the most walkable street I've seen so far. And that big tower. Well, it's like the end of a very weird day. I spent like half of it looking for a SIM card and everything was closed. And then I met this super young, super junior fellas. I have to say, I didn't feel like pointing a camera at their face close, but I got like one of them. I was walking out of Times Square and their bus like stopped in front of me, and one of them sent me a heart. So K-pop stands, I'm better than you, and I didn't put the camera in their face out of respect. They're human beings, I wouldn't do that. It was a super weird day, I have to say. Things I liked about the city: it's actually cheap. That's crazy. It's not that expensive at all. Riyadh, it's cheap. There's like, if you want the American experience, you can come here. There's like Dunkin donuts, Philly cheesesteaks. I've eaten like stuff. I'm a guy who's not willing to go to America, so that was cool. But the city is absolutely not walkable. You have to have like Bolt application, Uber, have a car. It's a bit complicated. It lacks cats. I haven't seen cats. That's not normal. That's outrageous. I leave you with my little friend, the Tower of Evil, Kingdom Center I think it's called, but I call it the Cristiano Ronaldo Tower. He's up there. He's already sleeping. It's 11. I know he's already sleeping. I know my champion. Good night, Cristiano. Keep scoring goals. Enjoy your retirement. Don't come back to Europe. Leave all the negativity. Take your money, my guy. You deserve it. I love you. Bye bye. I'm sounding like a K-pop stan. It's horrible. They say you're the